welcome to Grizzly's video, Blade Installation on a Portable Planer. My name is Kent, and this is one in a series of how-to videos that we're producing, making it easier for our customers to upgrade and maintain their Grizzly equipment. This is Shaun, an engineer here at Grizzly, and together we're going to show you step-by-step how to properly install blades on a portable planer using the Mini Planer Pal knife setting jig. We are using the G0505 12 1/2 inch portable planer, but the procedure is the same for the majority of the portable planers out there. This video is designed to give you an overview of the installation and help you visualize the process, and should be used in conjunction with the written instructions that came with your planer. We recommend that you watch this entire video and read these instructions thoroughly before beginning this job. You can also call our technical support at 570-546-9663 if you need further assistance. But most important, follow all shop safety procedures, and remember, there are no more important safety devices than these. The Mini Planer Pals are for use on planers with 1 7/8 inch to 2 1/8 inch diameter cutter heads. They will hold and set the blades to within plus or minus 1/1000th of an inch with their powerful neodymium magnets. Always start by unplugging the machine from the power source. Lower the cutter head nearly as far as it will go so you have adequate room to work. Remove the chip deflector or dust hood, whichever your machine is equipped with. This will expose the cutter head. Be very careful. These knives can still be very sharp and can easily cut a finger or knuckle if you bump into them. Loosen each gib bolt by turning them clockwise, the opposite way you would normally turn them. Turn each of them several turns and carefully lift the blade and gib out of the slot and remove the springs. Turn the cutter head and repeat the process until all blades have been removed. Using a small brush and compressed air, clean any chips, dust, and built-up pitch out of the slot for the blades and off the gibs as well. Now we're ready to install the new blades. Install the springs back in the pockets of one slot, and then place the gib back in the cutter head slot. Being very careful, place the new blade in the slot with the beveled surface facing toward the cutter head and away from the gib. Now, place the magnetic planer pals over the top of the knife so the outside magnets span the width of the slot and the center magnet is pushing on the top of the knife edge. There is also a small pin protruding next to the center magnet that will sit against the cutter head above the gib and help keep the center magnet over the blade. Be sure that they are seated squarely on the cutter head and do not rock, or accuracy will be compromised. The powerful magnets will hold the knife in place as you snug up the gib bolts. Now start to tighten the gib bolts, starting in the center and moving out in both directions, lightly snugging each bolt a little at a time. Only snug the bolts until you have all the blades installed in the cutter head to prevent distorting the shape of the head. Then, once all blades are in place, go back and final tighten the bolts. Reinstall the chip deflector or dust hood, and you're ready to go make some chips.